Hi everyone, I just want to mention that we have some other courses like Adobe Illustrator Mega Course and Adobe XD. Let me show you a bit of Adobe Illustrator and maybe you will like it and you will watch it after this course. Hi everyone, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Mega Course. That was Adobe Illustrator. You have another course we just released, which is Adobe XD. That's 8-hour course. And let's check the intro for this one. To Adobe XD Mega Course. Before we Hi everyone, welcome. Okay guys, this was a bit of intro of Illustrator and Adobe XD, but we have the Adobe After Effects course, we have a couple of courses for Adobe After Effects, and we have many other mini courses, you can check them out.